Hi, I'm Jessica, and welcome back to ChinesePod.
Hi, I'm Josh. 欢迎回到中文播客。
In today's lesson, we're going to be looking at that function word le that we see so frequently in the Chinese language.
今天我们要学的是一个很重要的字了。
So let's start talking about this le particle alone, right? It's a very, very frequently used, extremely important particle, and it serves a specific purpose, whether it's to express a feeling, an expectation, that kind of thing.
了有很多不同种的用法，那我们今天要学的是在句子的最后面加上的了。
Okay, so while there are many different ways that we can use this le particle, today we're going to be specifically focusing on that le that we see at the end of sentences.
那今天要说的这个了，是当事情改变的时候，或是有新的事情发生的时候，我们会在句子的最后面加上了。
Okay, so today we're going to be focusing on the le that we see at the end of the sentences, but also that change of state le, more specifically, right? So you had a situation, now we have a new one. We call it a change of state le.
Great, 我们开始吧。
All right, let's get started.
Now let's see a simple example. 我知道了。
Okay, so we're using that verb 知道, I know. So 我知道了, I got it, I understand now.
或是你可以说我明白了，我了解了。
Okay, so different ways of saying I understand or I know. So what if I use 我知道 and I compare it to 我知道了? They're both grammatically correct. What would be the main difference here?
我知道 it means I know. 但是我知道了，我以前不知道，我现在知道，所以我会说我知道了。
Okay, so before, you're really emphasizing that. Before you didn't know when you have that le. I didn't know earlier, now I know. 我知道了. Whereas just 我知道 means I know. You don't know how long that person could have known this information.
Yes. 所以本来我不知道，现在我知道了。
That sentence sounds a little bit strange to me though, and the reason is because you're saying 现在我知道了. So in my mind, I think that 现在 kind of already tells us it's happening now. Why would we need that other le? So that seems a little bit redundant.
这个了不代表是现在，这个了可以说是以前知道了，或者是现在知道了，所以你可以说它是以前发生过的事，或是现在新的事情。
So it's really important here to see that le primarily as the change of state le. So it's really important.
Hello! We are so glad that you're enjoying this video so far, but you're not getting the full lesson here. The full lesson and the rest of this video are available on our site, ChinesePod.com. Give it a try and see how much more we have to offer. We have exercises, expanded examples, vocabulary, and downloadable material. You cannot get that here on YouTube. So visit our website today, enter GRACE as the promo code, and get 20% off our premium subscriptions. I'll see you at ChinesePod.com.
But hurry, only the first 300 subscribers are allowed to redeem this deal. Use promo code GRACE for 20% off your entire premium subscription and launch your real learning experience.
ChinesePod.